Terry Sheringham believes that Manchester United should consider a move to sign Declan Rice from West Ham United because the England international will be an upgrade on Paul POGBA. POGBA's future at Old Trafford continues to be a source of certainty, with the French international out of contract in the summer and potentially set to leave the club on a free transfer. Despite his contractual status, POGBA has further regular for the Red Devils since making his comeback from injury back in 2022 in February. The midfielder has scored 1 goal and made 9 assists in 15 Premier League games for the Red Devils so far this season. Declan Rice, meanwhile, continued to draw praise for his fine performance for West Ham United, with the England international having scored 1 goal and made 4 assists in 26 appearances for West Ham United. Now, former England striker Terry Sheringham has stepped his belief that Rice will be a great signing for Manchester United because he will be an upgrade on POGBA in their teams. Speaking in an interview quoted by Metro, Sheringham said, "It is going to be hard for West Ham to keep Declan Rice. I spoke to West Ham supporter and said, he is the best midfielder in the world in the moment. I rate him highly. He's got everything a central midfielder needs. He understands the game. He's got good pace. He can control the ball. That's it. Make good tackle and get forward. He has the stature of Stephen Gerrard in midfield. He's that dominant now that even when he's getting close down, he's got good pace and power about him that he can get away from midfielder. It's very usual to have that in a central midfield position. Declan Rice will be an upgrade on POGBA because he's the best midfielder in the world. POGBA is a talented boy, but leans with the wrong characters."